Alright, that's the game used. New product. We're doing it for ourselves.
That's my,
You go first?
Yeah, you can go first. Yep, the young guy goes first.
That's fair. Alright. Nice. Rookie Fabrics Quad. Galchenyuk, Gallagher, Tenori, and Bellew. Rookie Fabrics Quad from the Canadians. It's a cool one. What's over decoy cards?
Ooh, a fight strap.
Dang, nice.
Matt Sundin, fight strap, number 2 of 15.
That's a nice one.
of course.
Cool.
Something's not right here.
Rookie Fabrics, Mikael Granlund. Cool. Brett Holder.
Rookie Fabrics, Nathan
Beaulieu.
with the Canadians.
Dougie Hamilton, Team Canada Fabrics.
That's a good one.
It's a cool one to get. I love the Team Canada stuff.
Well, I got an autograph, authentic rookie, Alex Chasen.
Nice. Here's a good one. Brian Lashoff, authentic rookie autograph. Cool.
Authentic Fabrics, Keith Duncan and Corey Crawford from the Blackhawks.
Alright, my last pack. Has a triple jersey, Kopitar, Quick, and Doughty. Strata? How much is Strata? Strata is $59.95 for Strata.
And Rookie Fabrics, Ryan Murray with the Blue Jackets.
$59.95 for Strata. Cool stuff.